Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have the Instapot out and I am making a treat for the kids. And it's actually been a while since I've made this. It's so simple and so easy. Only 2 ingredients I use. So I'm gonna show you quickly how I make this for my kids. Ingredients I need are half a gallon of milk and some yogurt. And what I'm going to be making today is a pot full of yogurt. Now I just grabbed just a cheap little container from Aldi of Greek yogurt, and this one said low fat. I normally just buy a regular Greek yogurt. This one's actually vanilla flavored, but this is all I could find there at Aldi. I have even used a fruit flavor like a strawberry or a blueberry before, and it worked, although you get kind of that bit in here. So we're gonna make a big pot of yogurt. I'm using organic ultra pasteurized milk, and I can't even remember the reasoning why it needs to be ultra pasteurized, so maybe you guys can help me out with that. But that's what I use. Aldi's works fine. I've used some of the other brands and they work well too. So all I do is I dump half a gallon of milk in here, and I do buy the yogurt to start, and since it's been a while since I've made it, I had to buy one. But once I get in the habit, I don't have to buy that anymore. Now this is the culture for my yogurt, so I want to add at least a tablespoon to my milk. Now since this one says it's low fat, I'm just going to add a little extra. It's not going to hurt anything, and then I'll save the rest. Someone can eat that. So I'm making this yogurt in the afternoon, and it'll be for tomorrow morning. So I'm going to mix it up, mix my yogurt in really well. And then the important thing is to make sure that my Instapot has a yogurt function. And this is just a cold method of doing it. There is a hot boiling method you can use as well, but I just find this really simple. The next step is super simple. I just turn it on. I click my yogurt function. I'll probably plug it in first. I click my yogurt function, and it's going to be on for 8 hours. Then I'm going to come back and check that this evening and get it put in the fridge. So I'll check back with you then. Hi everyone. So it's late here. I actually started this way late, but it's been 8 hours. It says Yo GT on the Instapot. It's finished. And I'm going to open it up and take out our yogurt. Try not to drip the water in there. Now you only have to wait a little bit to see how it's set up, but I'll have to wait till morning. I'm gonna wrap this up, put it in the fridge, and we'll check it in the morning. It's time to check that yogurt. I'm so excited. So it's been in the fridge overnight. And I don't know, you can see it's a little bit runny, but not too bad. If you wanted, you could certainly strain it, get some of this liquid out. But that is the perfect consistency for my family. So I'm really excited. We have not had homemade yogurt in a while, but it is just so simple, and I'm surprised more people don't make it themselves. Now, since I do buy a little bit more expensive milk, if you sit and do the cost, it might be a little bit more affordable. Based on the milk I buy, I cannot buy yogurt of this quality for this price, if that makes sense. So there's that. But what I'll do is I will take just a small little glass container and put some in the fridge and set it aside, and then when I'm out of yogurt, I will go ahead and use that as my starter to make more. Now I said like 1 to 2 tablespoons, but honestly I don't think you can really add too much, so I'll probably just fill this container full and then use all of it as my starter for my next batch. Now, you can certainly add different things to your yogurt if you want honey right in it, or if you want it really sweet and you want to add sweetened condensed milk or something, but I definitely make it for the health factor of it. So knowing that all I have is that little bit of yogurt I added and milk makes it feel really good for me that I'm doing something healthy for my family. We can always add honey or fruit or something later. Or granola. Granola's a big one for my kids. Alright, so I have to show you what it actually made. So I ended up with that one starter that we'll save in the back of the fridge, a large container for the fridge, and then I've got 3 little containers for the kids' lunches tomorrow. So I know I'm going to put them in their lunch one day, so we've got that. So this will probably be for like a breakfast side or a snack. And then I've got 2 other little containers, and I'm going to put these in the freezer because this makes a great base for the start of smoothies. So I'm going to label these with the date, put them in the freezer, and then the rest will go in the fridge. And really this is all we have left to eat from, so it's already all planned out where it's going.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
I hope you enjoyed this video making Instapot yogurt with me. It's pretty simple. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you